In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up options in Robinhood. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what information you'll be asked for, and what to expect during approval so you can start trading options with confidence. First, make sure your Robinhood account is already up and running. That means your identity is verified and your brokerage account is funded with a linked bank. If you're brand new, complete those standard account steps first. Robinhood won't let you enable options until your account is verified and there's a funding source connected. If you recently initiated a deposit, keep in mind that some transfers can take a little time to fully clear, but you can still proceed as long as your account shows as funded and active. Next, open the Robinhood app and navigate to your account menu. Depending on your device, that's either the three-line menu or your profile icon. From there, go to Settings, choose Investing, and then look for Options Trading. Tap Enable Options Trading to begin. Robinhood will present a brief questionnaire. It asks about your income, your investing experience, and your goals. Things like whether you're investing for growth or income and how comfortable you are with risk. Answer accurately and honestly. These questions aren't a test. They're used to determine which level of options access is suitable for you. Providing clear, truthful information helps avoid account restrictions later and ensures you're matched to strategies that align with your background and tolerance for risk. After you submit the questionnaire, Robinhood reviews your profile. As part of that review, they look at your trading experience, your financial situation, and your stated risk tolerance. Based on this, they assign an options level, typically level 2 or level 3. Level 2 generally allows foundational strategies like buying calls and puts and certain covered positions, while Level 3 can include more advanced strategies such as spreads. If you're newer to options, don't worry. Getting the right level is about safety and suitability, not passing or failing. Approval can be instant, or it might take some time, depending on your profile and whether Robinhood needs additional review. Keep an eye on your in-app notifications. Once approved, the Options tab and trading capabilities will appear within your account. That's it. You've enabled options on Robinhood. Trade thoughtfully, understand the risks, and consider reviewing Robinhood's educational resources before placing your first options order. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.